Okay, Robin, you ran a copper trial in deer on David and Kay's focus farm. Now, copper, how big an issue is that for deer?
I don't know how big it is in deer.
Yeah.
There's been a lot of trial work over the years. I've been involved in a few. I think it was said today that of 10 trials looking at weight gains and weaners, only one showed a positive relationship. I don't think we've established what are normal levels in deer, and there may be parameters that we haven't measured yet that copper has an effect.
On David and Kay's place, what made you to decide to have a look at, just in the small pilot study, should I say, what made you decide to set that up?
This was not a productivity study, it was more a comparison of pharmaceuticals. It was a comparison of treatments with the idea of seeing how responsive deer were to 3 different treatments. There's a lot more than 3. These all happen to be products that are registered in deer.
I gather when you did the baseline measurements before you started the treatments with this small group, that there's actually a very wide variation in their levels from sort of below detectable levels up to a reasonably respectable one. I believe this might have had something to do with PKE feeding. Yeah.
They were all getting PK, and there's a reasonable supposition that some were, as all stock do, some were eating it more readily than others. So it would have been one reason why we got such varied normal levels.
So how did you set it up?
3 treatment groups and a control. Okay. 3 weaner hind fawns and 3 weaner stag fawns in each group. So we effectively had 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6. Yeah. They were all biopsied at the beginning. They were given 3 different treatments plus a control. 40 days later, they were biopsied again. It turned out that the copper capsules that we used did not give us as good a response as the injectable. Simply worked out that the injectable product gave you better bang for your bucks. They were longer and higher for the injectable.
And you used a general multi-mineral type supplement as well, I think.
Yeah.
And that's made any appreciable difference?
That made no appreciable difference. To be fair, that product doesn't claim to raise copper levels. But it's got a lot of press. It's been well advertised. It's claimed that it gives you a production benefit.
So the summary from this small piece of work really seems to be that the 2 dedicated products worked, but the better of the 2, the injectable, gave a better result than the capsule.
Yes.